I'm picking up Lechon on Salis Lechon for the party this afternoon. Get together with my friends. Salis Lechon. Most famous Turon. Kung gusto nyo umorder ng lechon, we always order at Salis Lechon. Napakasarap yung loob. It's a very good lechon, very tasty with what salsa?
Homemade lechon sauce.
Yung dala isusong ko pati.
Made of pure liver.
Yan. So, Arman. Ate Sally and Kuya Arman. So, watch our channel, RICKYBABY, Travel Vlog and Culinary. So, thank you. Thank you. Lechon para Salis Lechon. It's still warm. Crisp baked. Crisp lechon. Crisp roasted lechon. Lechon naman nila.
Saan yung lalagyan?
Wow, look at that. Crispy. From Salis Lechon. Ate Sally and Kuya Arman, thank you for lechon. See, so crispy. See that?
Yeah, it's crispy. Ay, hindi. Nanghula lang ako. Hindi naman ako expert dito.
Kuya Milcar, is this crispy? Juicy?
It is.
It is?
Oo.
Good. Crispy? This is the lechon. Ah. Oh. Ears. Mm.
Is it crispy pata?
Yeah. She's eating lechon.
Okay, I'll just try this.
This is the crispy pata. See, organic. Crunchy. Mm. Lechon, crispy pata. I don't know. I have to start with lechon. Mm. This is really good. I can resist this one. The very lechon. Ate Sally and Kuya Arman, thank you for the lechon. I'm gonna eat now.